Graph the image of the figure using the transformation given. So here we are given a figure and we're also given a transformation, 4 units up. So what we will need to do is simply shift this figure 4 units up. So let's look at the vertex W. So we're going to take this point and we're going to move it 4 units up. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the original figure, which is the pre-image, it is labeled W. For the image, it is labeled W prime. Okay, let's move on to X. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is now labeled X prime. And finally, V. 1, 2, 3, 4. V prime. Once you have placed each point on the coordinate plane, you'll simply connect those points to draw the figure. Feel free to use a ruler or a straight edge to ensure that you have straight lines. Okay, now for this one, we are going to move 5 units left. So we'll simply do exactly what we did in the first example, except instead of going up, we're going to go left. So let's start with F. So I'm going to go left, which is this direction, 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this will now be labeled F prime. G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. G prime. And H, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, H prime. And again, make sure that you connect your points. I'm sorry my lines are not that straight, but hopefully yours will look a lot better. Okay, for this one, we will be moving 5 units left and 6 units up. So if we start with K, we'll first go 5 units left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we'll go 6 units up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is now K prime. J, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 units up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. J prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And L. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is L prime.